If you were stunned looking at Aditi Rao Hydari's Cinderella-like look yesterday, then hold on your breath, because she has done it once again. Aditi made her stunning red carpet appearance in a bright yellow ruffled ball gown and looked like a ray of sunshine. She kept her hair and makeup simple and jewelry to a minimum as she walked the red carpet for the premiere of the film last summer. But wait, she was not the only one to shine in yellow. Actor Surveen Chawla wore a bright yellow lehenga from the shelves of designer Seema Gujral at the French Riviera. But what we loved more than her lehenga was her unique jewelry. That tight bun hairstyle that she opted for was just the right choice with this outfit. Esha Gupta was also back with another look, this time in pink. Sunny Leone, whose film Kennedy received a 7-minute standing ovation upon its premiere, looked radiant in a black cutout gown for the photo call. She wore white heels with the dress and dainty jewelry. Director Anurag Kashyap, Rahul Bhatt and more also joined her in the photo call. Now let's look at the film screened on day 10 at the Cannes Film Festival. Several celebs attended the premiere of last summer by director Catherine Breillat as well as Wim Wenders' Perfect Days. Apart from this, the Foundation of AIDS Research returned to the Cannes Film Festival for the 29th edition of Amphar Gala Cannes. It was of course a starry affair, and we got more excited to see Sunny Leone attending the event in an embellished one-shoulder mermaid-style gown. What are your thoughts about Cannes Day 10 fashion? Let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for all the updates from Cannes 2023.